Good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. See, 3 months back, I have made this unboxing video of this Beardo 3-in-1 trimmer. See here, this one. And as I said in that video, after using this for quite a while, I'll do a experience video of how this trimmer is and how well it is working and what are the pros and what are the cons. See, Beardo Apex X 3-in-1 trimmer. 3-in-1 in the sense you can use this, you can change this blade. See, this is the one blade and there is the attachment. See here, this is for small blades here. See, only this is the blade here for very precise trimming for ear and everything, for ears, and this one is for the nose. Okay, the currently installed one is the regular trimmer. This is for nose and where precise trimming this will be useful, and this is for this nose trimming, nose hair trimming. Yeah, and removing this cap is very easy, even with one hand. See here, even with one hand I have removed, and installing this is pretty easy. Even with just one hand, single hand, I have kept this. So coming to my review on this, the design and everything and the inhale field is very good when you using this trimmer for trimming for the beard or whatever it may be. So as this is very light, it is easy to hold it for a longer period of time, and the button for power on and power off is very this is the rounded button. See here, rounded button, which is the operating is pretty simple, and the charging indicator or the battery level indicator is also there. So this is also pretty good. And coming to this overall usage experience, this trimmer is okay, just quite useful for me because of this clips over this one. Means I have been using this 3 months for beard trimming, and with this plastic cap I can adjust the length of my beard. So this is very useful. There are 3 actually. This is 3 mm one. Yeah, see, this is 3 mm. Another 2 are there actually. This is 1 mm and another is also there. This is 5 mm for longer. I always use this one, which is 3 mm. This suits for my beard. And installing this on the main trimmer cap. See, just now also I use this. That's the hair for, sorry for this. And the battery of this trimmer is moderate. Means I won't say it is for keeping longer period of hours. Like if I do like 6 to 7 times of beard trimming, I again had to keep it charging, and this comes with this USB Type-C charging. So even with your cell phone charger, you can keep this. Okay. Yeah, this is USB Type-C. Charging is pretty easy and charging is moderately good. And coming to this trimming feel, I would say this is more than okay, means above average we can say. I won't say this is excellent or something like that, but I feel like when I keep this to 0, means when I use this like this empty without any cap, this is perfectly fine and not that much harsh on my skin. It's okay. Sometimes I feel this blade is doing harsh. Maybe it is my due to my skin. I don't know about that, but when I keep these clips, it is taking longer period of time, quite a bit of longer period of time to cut the beard. That's one thing I observed here. And yeah, I need to do it for longer period of time to cleanly trim my beard. That's the one thing. And overall I feel this is good, and I bought this for around 900 rupees. And for 900 rupees, this overall 3, and this coming to this one, this nose one also, Where is this nose cap also not 100% fine, it's like 70% okay for me when I use this for nose trimming. And this is absolutely, when I am using for myself, this may change from person to person. Yeah, if you do have any questions, please do ask in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.